Congratulations on your new refrigerator. It comes with electronic controls on the top panel of the freezer. The panel allows you to control and adjust different cooling modes that are offered by the fridge. Let's begin by learning how to use the control panel. Adjusting the temperature. To adjust the freezer temperature, press the freezer button. Each press cycles through the settings, ranging from -14 degrees Celsius to -21 degrees Celsius. Once it reaches -21 degrees Celsius, pressing the button again will reset it back to -14 degrees Celsius. Press the fridge button to adjust the temperature, cycling through settings from 6 degrees Celsius down to 1 degree Celsius. After reaching 1 degree Celsius, the next press resets it back to 6 degrees Celsius. For best performance, avoid setting the fridge to 1 degree Celsius during winter and 6 degrees Celsius during summer. Enabling Quick Freeze. To enable Quick Freeze mode, press and hold the freezer button for 3 seconds. The glowing Quick Freeze button confirms activation. This mode stays active for 4 hours before automatically reverting to the previous temperature setting. Activating convertible modes. This refrigerator comes with a 4-in-1 convertible mode. To activate it, simply press and hold the convert button for 3 seconds. Each press shifts the mode from one setting to another. The panel offers an easy one-touch flexibility of converting the refrigerator. In normal mode, the upper section operates as a freezer, while the lower section functions as a refrigerator. Extra wedge mode transforms both sections into refrigerator space, perfect when you need additional room for storing fresh produce and other perishables. Efficiency mode turns the top into a fridge and powers down the bottom section. Holiday mode keeps the top as a freezer and powers down the fridge section. That's how the refrigerator keeps your food fresh and your life hassle-free.